One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We just love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. When our customers send us glowing reviews like this one, it helps us to know that we're fulfilling our commitment to give every customer a first-class experience. We just love getting great feedback like this. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that becomes our specialty. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.